Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about the term fluorescence. Inflorescence means the arrangement of flowers on the floral axis of a plant. This term is known as inflorescence. Basically, we have already known the arrangement of leaves is called the phyllotaxy. This phyllotaxy is basically the arrangement of leaves in a plant. The way the leaves are arranged in the plant is the term phyllotaxy. Basic, like that only, the inflorescence means this is basically the arrangement of flowers on the plant on their floral axis, that means on the tip of the shoot region or at the every stem's tip. Like that only we will see here a diagram. These flowers come from where? These are basically the modified shoot. In this diagram we have seen that this is a shoot region. At the tip or at the top of it, this apical meristem changes into floral meristem. Now this floral meristem starts to bear flowers. They will basically grow the flowers at the tip of the shoot. Now internodes do not elongate and axis get condensed. This means that this is the internode between the two nodes. Internodes are basically present between the two nodes, or we can say between the stem and the shoot region. Now these internodes do not elongate. Their length get decreased at that level, and from that the flowers start to grow. Now different kinds of floral appendages are also produced at this node region. Now when the shoot tip is modified into the flowers, this flower is basically a solitary. Solitary is basically a term that for a single flower. That means the solitary terms represent that at the top of the plant tip there is a flower will grow, but only one single flower will grow at the tip. Now when the plant will grow, the term flowering will also come. That means the flower is not only grow at the tip of the shoot, they will also grow at the tip of the stem of every shoot region. So this arrangement of floral axis is types of inflorescence. Basically there are two types of inflorescence that we have to study in the class 9th, but there are numerous numbers of inflorescence types, but we have to understand only about the two things. First one is the racemose and the second one is cymose. The racemose says that the main axis continues growing. If you see the diagram of it, this is basically a normal diagram of a plant where the stem or the root enlarges itself, and at the last the flowers grow at the every point. Like that only, this is the main axis, and the main axis continues to grow. Then if it will almost grow, then one more stem will appear, and at the tip of it one more flower will grow. So basically the term racemose is given by the inflorescence. Basically the flower born laterally in an acropetal succession. Acropetal succession means after one flower at the bottom of the plant, then another flower will grow just above it, then another flower will grow above this stem. So basically the acropetal structure, or we can say the acropetal succession, is like this. At the bottom of the plant these flowers are basically old flowers, and at the tip of the plant the new flower will grow. So basically this flower is called by the name young flower. So in the second one, the second types of inflorescence, there is a cymose. Cymose are basically the axis terminate in a flower. There is this axis get terminated into the flowers not from the bottom of the plant but at the tip of the shoot region. So this flower get terminate into flowers, and the flowers at the top is basically the old flower, and the flower at just below it is the young flowers. So this was all about the term inflorescence. Now the question arises that what this inflorescence basically mean. This means that this is the proper arrangement of the flowers on the plant, and at last we will conclude it by saying that this inflorescence basically give the beauty to its plant. Basically, the flowers give the beauty to the plant. In the next video, we will talk about the flowers and the types and the functions of flowers. What are the purpose of the flowers in the plant? So till then, thanks for watching.